In this video, we will create a professional profile photo using AI tools like Tensor.art and Face Swapper. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Tensor.art website and sign in using any account. Then go to the Models section and choose any AI model of your choice. We will use this, for example. Input a detailed prompt describing your desired professional look. For example, a professional headshot of a young woman wearing a navy blue blazer with a white blouse, smiling softly, with a blurred office background. Also, don't forget to add a negative prompt. Scroll down to find sampling method. Change the sampling method to DPM++2 mCaris and change the aspect ratio to square. Generate the image and review the results. Repeat the process if necessary to get a satisfactory base image. After many repetitions, we finally settle on this image. Click on Download button to download the image. We are halfway done. Next, we will use Face Swapper to personalize the image. Go to the Face Swapper to AI website. We will upload a clear photo of our face in good lighting. Then we upload the photo we just created using the Tensor.art website. Click on Start Face Swapping and wait a few seconds. There you go! We have made a professional profile photo that is ready to be uploaded to any professional social media sites like LinkedIn. This method can be useful for those people who want to make an acceptable professional profile photo at home. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.